Begin by measuring the desired area multiple times to ensure you have the correct length and a perfectly straight edge. Then trim the area using a straight-edged blade. Finish using a Stanley knife. You should aim to leave a 50mm gap between the two panels. Prepare the adhesive for application by mixing with the hardener. Apply the adhesive using a Playrite machine available from the Envirostick website. Fold over the two panels onto the bond, leaving a 50mm gap down the centre for the line installation. Some techniques do vary, as demonstrated here by the Dales team. They are pulling the roller beneath the sheets to save folding under later. Then carefully fold in the 50mm line. Press down to form a strong bond with the adhesive. Roll down to ensure a permanent bond. Follow these simple steps and you should produce a perfectly straight edge and leave the cord looking great and performing to an excellent standard.